Hi friends, welcome back to Keep It Simple with Maria. Today, let's dive into a topic that's as powerful as it is challenging: healing, and the role that we play in our own suffering. Here's the truth. Healing means taking an honest, sometimes uncomfortable look at the role that we play in our own suffering. So often we get stuck in the cycles of pain, whether it's in our relationships, our work, or even in our thoughts about ourselves. And when we're hurting, it's natural to look outside of ourselves at the people or the circumstances that may seem like they're the ones causing the pain. However, real healing begins when you pause and ask yourself, what role am I playing in my own suffering? Now let's be clear about this. This isn't about blaming yourself or ignoring the real external factors that are contributing to your pain. It's all about just realizing that we also have a part to play. Maybe it's in the way that we react. Maybe it's in the boundaries that we don't set, or the beliefs we've internalized that tell us we're not good enough. Taking an honest look at ourselves means confronting these patterns, these habits that keep us stuck. And I know that it can be scary because sometimes it means admitting that we're holding on to certain thoughts, actions, patterns, or people that are doing more harm than good. But remember that awareness is a powerful first step towards freedom. So here's my challenge to you. The next time you find yourself in a cycle of suffering, take a moment to reflect. What choices are you making, maybe unconsciously, that keep you stuck in this cycle? What stories are you telling yourself that hold you back? And know this, while it may be uncomfortable, this process is incredibly empowering. Because the same self-honesty that reveals your role in the suffering is the exact thing that can unlock your healing. It's about reclaiming your power, one truth at a time. So take a deep breath, be kind to yourself, and remember, healing is a journey, not a final destination. It doesn't happen overnight, but every step you take toward owning your own truth brings you closer to the peace and freedom you deserve. Namaste.